A historic lake-effect snowstorm has significantly impacted many areas in Ontario, Canada, causing widespread disruption. One of the hardest hit areas is Gravenhurst, located in Ontario's Muskoka region, where approximately 140 centimeters of snow fell over the weekend. This accumulation of snow, combined with a lengthy highway closure and limited emergency services,
This is our car after the snowstorm. After the highway, they pulled it out here. This is just snow that overnight.
Intense snow squalls have left large parts of the province buried under multiple meters of snow, stranding vehicles and prompting local authorities to take drastic action, including declaring a state of emergency in some regions. Forced the town to declare a state of emergency on Sunday. The snowstorm's severity led to road closures, leaving motorists stranded and power outages, affecting over 30,000 customers across the province. The snowstorm, described as a lake-effect snow squall event, has set new snowfall records in several regions, with Gravenhurst and other towns in Muskoka, such as Bracebridge, seeing more than 120 centimeters of snow. The intense snow squalls have caused major disruptions, including the closure of a stretch of the Trans-Canada Highway due to whiteout conditions, which were worsened by snow blowing off the Great Lakes. These conditions caused traffic standstills, making it impossible for vehicles to move in some areas. The ongoing snowstorm has also led to power outages, with more than 30,000 customers losing electricity. In addition to the hardships faced by residents, authorities have struggled to provide timely assistance due to the extreme weather conditions, including the prolonged closure of critical roadways.
Not the sight you want to look at when you open the garage door. That's my Ford 4x4, and there's my wife's car.
Our barbecue's under there. We have no power, and I think I might have just lost my dog in the snow.
The Ontario Provincial Police (OPP) reported that hundreds of vehicles were stranded along Highway 11, and emergency teams have been working around the clock to clear roads, assist stranded motorists, and respond to emergency calls. Many residents were left without power and, in some cases, were forced to endure hours of confinement in their vehicles. Although the snowstorm has started to taper off, Environment Canada has warned that more snow is expected in the coming days. The region will likely face another round of snow mid-week, along with a potential resurgence of lake-effect snow squalls next weekend.
Just overnight snow that came down. From Friday to Sunday, we're still not home. Soon, we'll be home soon.
In Gravenhurst, local officials remain in a state of emergency as the cleanup efforts continue, with authorities focused on reopening major highways and restoring essential services. This unprecedented lake effect snowstorm, which began last Wednesday, has left many areas in the province submerged, under significant snowfalls. The town of Gravenhurst, located in Ontario's picturesque Muskoka region, was one of the hardest hit.
It's going to be the snowfall in November of 2024.
In response to the relentless snow accumulation, the town was forced to declare a state of emergency as the prolonged snowstorm triggered widespread transportation disruptions, power outages, and strained emergency response capabilities. Local authorities and emergency services have been working non-stop to clear roads, assist stranded motorists, and provide support to residents who found themselves isolated due to blocked routes and hazardous weather conditions. Despite these efforts, the situation remains challenging, with further snow expected in the coming days.
Again, watch that black line across the back. It's a 6-foot tall.
As the storm continues to move through the province, local communities are bracing for more challenges, while emergency teams and residents work together to manage the aftermath. Environment Canada has issued multiple winter weather advisories, particularly for the cottage country areas around Gravenhurst, which may receive an additional 10 centimeters of snow.